hating on you with their friends, girl, you got it.
Oh, okay, y'all. So I am vlogging my day today because I feel like I need to vlog today. I have some errands to run. So I'm gonna take you guys along on like certain things I'll be doing on my days off. And today is my day off. They literally just text me to come to work, but I have so much to do. I'm like, I cannot. Being at work all week, all last week, it's kind of like I need a day. So if you guys are new, I'm putting sunscreen because shit, I don't know, Boston weather is just tripping right now. To take you guys along, let's hope I remember to vlog. Okay, I made it to the car. I'm wearing this big ass coat, but it's not even cold outside. It's like 50 degrees outside. So, but whatever. We're gonna go, and I'm just gonna vlog and show you what I'm doing today. Let's go. Look at outside. Okay, I made it. I got lost a little bit, but I made it. I'm literally suck at putting my phone in like the right position, but I got my Acia bowl and it looks so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys. Look how pretty. I'm basic as fuck, so if you guys are ever in Brockton, totally go check out Gyvencha. The customer service, 10 out of 10. The place is clean. It's just, it's giving what it's supposed to give. And the girl there was super nice. And she also made a conversation with me, so that was cute. So I'm gonna try it though. Let's do the taste test. Getting a little bit of everything. Blueberry. It came with bananas. I got the City of Champion. It comes with bananas, but I don't like bananas, so I told her to like hold the bananas. And I didn't want any other fruits on this, so yeah. Okay. This is so good. It does have peanut butter in it, but like it's not too strong. It's not too sweet. Obsessed. This is so refreshing because it's like it's hot outside today. So this is so good. I'm gonna eat my bowl. Y'all, I murdered this, but like I'm getting cold. The thing is, it's so good. I do not want to stop, but like I'm getting cold. And if you guys know me, I get cold super easily. I only have about like 4 spoons left. Okay, now we gotta go. for real this time. And y'all, I be coming here to get like Haitian patties. Never noticed it before. It's kind of weird. Anyways, y'all, let's go. Okay, made it to the mall. To get out of this mall because when I get in this mall, I don't want to leave because I keep looking for shit. Oh, I'm tired. So I have to go to Dollar Tree and then I have to dissect. Okay, y'all, so I'm home. I got home from the gym. I'm going to cook and I wanted to show you guys what I'm making. So I'm starting off with rice. You know, I'm making the rice. I put butter and salt. That's it. Butter and salt. And then I'm gonna add water. Okay, y'all, here's my salmon. It's looking good, looking fresh, looking delicious. This is the rice. It looks so good. This is lunch salmon bowl. There's like a thin layer of rice under there for me, my cousins, my mom. Dinner is served.